According to the American Association for Cancer Research, 80% of patients with cancer in the nation are treated in community centers.
These patients don't have the needs or transportation to get to somewhere with advanced research and care. As Arman Rahman found, Madison Hospital's effort to expand access is shedding light on the growing need for it.
Oncologists are launching a new trial program here at SSM Health's South Madison campus in hopes to make the latest cancer research accessible to all patients.
Kind of wherever they get their oncology care will be a site that they could also get, access to research.
Oncologist Dr. Ryan Porter says SSM Health patients will hopefully not have to travel far to the university, Mayo Clinic, or elsewhere for cancer care. Starting in Madison, Circuit Clinical's research team will be embedded into SSM Health care sites to connect patients to clinical trials and research.
The way we make progress is through clinical trials. So as new drug developments, new advancements come to the front, they have to test whether or not these are going to improve on what the current standard of care is.
In a report from the American Association for Cancer Research, Black, Hispanic, Indigenous, and Asian communities were constantly underrepresented in clinical trials addressing pancreatic, ovarian, cervical, uterine, and breast cancer, and chemotherapy. Dr. Porter says the struggles those underserved communities can feel every day are magnified for their patients with cancer.
They're more tired. They're kind of run down. Financially, cancer can take a big toll where people, just may not be working.
The new partnership will eventually extend to SSM care sites in rural and urban areas across Wisconsin.
Really the success stories we've seen in oncology, the reason they're part of our day-to-day care is because clinical trials, demonstrated their benefit.
Dr. Porter says patients who participate in the trial won't have to pay any extra for new drugs or care that they receive. In Madison, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.
SSM Health and Circuit Clinical plans to expand access across Illinois, Missouri, and Oklahoma as well.